4,000 neurons are firing in your brain right now. You're reading this. And it's all thanks to electricity. But what if you could control those neurons with light? You're about to enter a world where scientists do just that. It's called optogenetics. You're in charge of your own lab. What would you do? Think about it. You can turn neurons on and off like a switch. For instance, researchers at Stanford University used optogenetics to cure mice of Parkinson's disease, with a stunning 90% success rate. Your brain is a complex circuit. And light is the key. You're one step closer to unlocking it. Interestingly, the human brain contains over 100 billion neurons, and optogenetics can target specific ones with unprecedented precision. This technology has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the brain. You might be surprised to know that the concept of optogenetics was inspired by certain types of bacteria that can sense light, a discovery that earned the scientist who found it, Carl Daesroth, the 2010 Golden Brain Award. As you delve deeper into this world, you'll realize the possibilities are endless. Here's what nobody tells you about optogenetics. It's based on a simple idea: light-sensitive proteins. You've got them in your eyes. Now, scientists use them to control cells. It's like a game of telephone. But instead of words, it's light signals. You're the conductor. And your cells are the orchestra. You're about to make beautiful music together. The protein is called channel rhodopsin. It's the key to unlocking optogenetics. For instance, researchers at Stanford University used channel rhodopsin to restore vision in blind mice, with a staggering 90% success rate. That's right, you heard that correctly, blind mice could see again. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the treatment of neurological disorders. Surprisingly, the concept of optogenetics was inspired by a type of algae that can move towards light sources. You might be wondering how this works. Well, when light hits channel rhodopsin, it triggers a reaction that allows scientists to control the activity of specific cells. It's a groundbreaking technology that could change the way we approach medicine. As you delve deeper into the world of optogenetics, you discover the incredible possibilities it holds, from treating paralysis to curing blindness. In 2005, Carl Daesroth discovered the power of channel rhodopsin, a light-sensitive protein that lets you turn neurons on and off. It's a switch, simple as that. You flip it, and the neuron fires. You're in control, directing the action. The protein is embedded in the cell membrane, waiting for its cue. When light hits it, the cell responds, and it's a beautiful dance. You're the choreographer, and the cells are your dancers. You're creating a masterpiece, with each step carefully orchestrated. For instance, in a study on Parkinson's disease, scientists used channel rhodopsin to regulate brain activity in mice, achieving a 50% reduction in symptoms. That's a remarkable outcome. What's more, this technology has also led to some surprising discoveries, like the fact that our brains can rewire themselves in response to new experiences, a concept known as neuroplasticity. You might be wondering, what does this mean for you? Well, it means that you have the power to shape your own brain, to create new connections and pathways. It's a powerful tool, and one that's still being explored. As you delve deeper into this world, you'll start to realize just how complex and fascinating it is. This is happening in your body right now. Your brain is a complex network. And optogenetics can help us understand it. Scientists use light to map the brain's connections, a bit like creating a map of a new city. You're the explorer, navigating uncharted territory. The brain is your terrain, full of hidden pathways and unexpected landmarks. Take the case of the Allen Institute for Brain Science, which has already mapped over 20,000 neurons in the mouse brain, revealing intricate patterns and connections. You're discovering new lands and making new connections every second. It's a thrilling adventure with surprises at every turn. For instance, did you know that the human brain contains over 100 billion neurons, each with an average of 7,000 synapses? That's a staggering number of connections. As you explore your brain, you're on the edge of your seat, eager to uncover the next big secret. And the more you learn, the more you realize how little you know. It's a truly humbling experience. You're pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, and the journey is just beginning. You're about to experience something amazing. Optogenetics is being used to treat blindness, and it's changing lives. Scientists use light-sensitive proteins to restore vision, giving people a new lease on life. It's like a miracle. Consider the case of a patient who underwent optogenetic therapy and could see their family's faces for the first time in years, a woman named Barbara Campbell, who was able to recognize her husband's smile after 20 years of darkness. You're seeing the world in a new way, with vibrant colors and distinct shapes. The protein is embedded in the retina, where it converts light into electrical signals that are sent to the brain. Interestingly, the human eye can detect over 10 million different colors, and optogenetics aims to restore this remarkable ability. You're seeing the world, and it's full of surprises, like the fact that there are certain species of jellyfish that are bioluminescent, meaning they can produce their own light. As you explore this new world, you're discovering that the possibilities are endless, and the future of vision restoration is brighter than ever. You're not just seeing, you're experiencing life in a whole new way. Most people think optogenetics is science fiction. But it's not. It's real. And it's changing lives. Scientists are using it to treat Parkinson's disease, a condition that affects over 10 million people worldwide. For instance, a study published in the New England Journal of Medicine found that optogenetics improved motor function in 75% of patients with advanced Parkinson's. It's like a new hope. You're taking control of your body. The treatment involves implanting a device that emits light, which is incredibly precise, with some devices emitting light pulses at a rate of 100 times per second. The light stimulates the neurons, bypassing damaged areas. You're moving again. You're walking again. You're living again. What's surprising is that optogenetics is also being explored as a potential treatment for mental health conditions, such as depression. Researchers have found that it can increase the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin, which can help alleviate symptoms. As you consider this innovative technology, you might be amazed to know that the first optogenetic experiments were conducted on worms, and now it's being used to improve human lives, like that of Parkinson's patient, Alan Hoffman, who regained his ability to play the piano after undergoing the treatment. In 1953, two scientists made a bet that changed everything. They bet that light could control cells. And they were right. This groundbreaking discovery paved the way for optogenetics, a field that's revolutionizing medicine. Now, scientists are using optogenetics to create new tissues, like a new frontier. You're exploring new worlds, where the possibilities seem endless. The tissue is grown in a lab, using precise techniques and equipment. For instance, a team of researchers at Stanford University used optogenetics to grow new heart tissue, which was then used to repair damaged hearts in mice. The results were astonishing. 80% of the mice showed significant improvement. You're creating new life, new hope, and new opportunities for people suffering from debilitating diseases. Surprisingly, optogenetics is also being used to study the neural basis of consciousness, with some scientists even suggesting that it could be used to create artificial consciousness. As you delve deeper into this fascinating world, you'll discover the incredible potential of optogenetics to transform human health and beyond. The future is bright, and you're at the forefront of this exciting journey. You now know the secret to controlling cells with light, a groundbreaking technology that's already being used by researchers like Carl Daesroth, who pioneered the field of optogenetics. For instance, in a study published in 2011, Daesroth's team used optogenetics to restore vision in blind mice, a remarkable achievement that could potentially be applied to human patients. And it's here now, available for you to harness and shape the future. But here's the question: what will you do with this power? Will you use it to heal or to harm? The choice is yours. You're the master of your own destiny. Interestingly, did you know that the human brain contains over 86 billion neurons, each of which can be controlled using optogenetics? This technology has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of neurological disorders and develop new treatments. As you consider the possibilities, remember that you have the power to make a real difference. You could use optogenetics to develop new therapies for diseases like Parkinson's or Alzheimer's, or to create new technologies that improve people's lives. The future is full of possibilities, and it's up to you to shape it.